Hello, we are on the acquisition overview section of Google Analytics, and the purposes of this lesson is to give you an idea what every single of these pieces of data are referring to, and to get better understanding of what the data to look at in the next lessons when we get deeper in the section. So we'll start with the top of the screen. You can see the title, Acquisition Overview, which is meaning that we are on the Acquisition Overview section of Google Analytics, and we have option to export and share the information for the given period. And the given period is actually right here. You can select the data you want to see. Let's say I want to see from the 10th of October till today, which is 18th of December, and I'll just click apply. And now you can see that the data here will change. Now we can see, of course, we have the segments. You're already familiar with the segments from the audience overview tab, and these are we can add the segment. Let's say I can add conversion, or let's say let me select one of the system segments, let's say new users, and you'll see that the data will change. Now I have two separate rows of data, one for the old users and one for the new users. And if I select, let's say, one more segment, let's say I can select referral traffic. I'll click apply, and the new row of data will be added to my screen. And this is the way I can compare different sets of data. You can see that on the left I have a pie chart, which is nice visualization. I'm sorry, of the shares of data for each of the segments, and on the right side I have the sessions and conversions. I have the sessions and the paid conversions, and the sessions and again the paid conversions. Also, let me just clean this by selecting remove, and remove again, just to be just to have a clearer look of the screen. Let me just select one more time, remove. Next thing, I'm going to show you that we can select the metrics here. Let's say we have a top channel. We can select the source medium to have more deeper view on the information of our traffic sources. And here I can select the conversions. I have two options, course sale or paid conversions. I can select, let's say, course sales, and here you can see that it's already changed. I have go to conversion rate, and of course the information about the conversion down there in the this table. Now let me just turn back to the top channels. I want to show you what every channel, what's the meaning of every channel. We have referrals, which are basically websites that are referring to our, it's websites that we have banner on, or just mention us in their blog article and they are sending visitors, so they'll be here in this report for referral traffic. We have direct traffic, which is traffic from users that type directly our website in their browsers or have it somewhere saved in some folder of their web browsers, and they reach it directly. And it's a very strong indicator of brand awareness, because as much as people can remember your brand and type in the browser, this means that you have not noticeable brand. And of course, we have social traffic, which is traffic from Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and other social networks. We have other, which is which could be different sources of traffic. We have organic search, which is actually search from mostly from Google, but from Bing and Yahoo also. And we have paid search, which is CPC campaigns that Udemy runs regularly. So you can see that I have 30% of paid search traffic. And you can see the same data from this pie chart down here. And the importance of the acquisition section in Google Analytics is really big, because this is really what Google Analytics is about. You can understand from where is your traffic, what is its quality, and whether it gives you sales or not. You can see here I have a lot of social traffic that that send me conversions, uh, direct traffic also, and really small amount of referral traffic. So I can try to improve one of these traffic sources, and let's say to earn more traffic from social, since I've seen that the social traffic sends me a lot of conversions and etc. But this will be matter of next of other lessons. We will get deeper how we can analyze and find opportunities to get more conversions.